Right, this is a brief update on the paint test. To refurbish the scraper bars for the front rolls. I've actually fitted the leading one, adjusted it up. So I've been looking at the paint. This is the original Yo & Sons colour. We actually tracked it down to what we think is the right colour. Obviously this machine's over 40 years old, so this paint is faded. This is the test patch that we've done, which we think it's pretty close. All the information we've gathered from Mark Yo and from the paint suppliers, they think this is the right one. It's like a Chrysler type of grainy, marine type of aqua blue or something like that, the shade is. So before I carry on with the rest of the machine today, it's a nice sunny day here in South Wales, so I'll be concentrating inside the cab today. So I thought I'd do a test paint last night to see what it actually looks like. So this is going to be quite an unusual roller with a metallic paint on. So this is the shade of the greeny blue in metallic, so it's difficult to judge because everywhere you look at it in different sunlight, different lighting conditions, it seems to change. So I'm hoping that I've captured the right shade of the greeny blue for this machine. So that is the test for today, for this morning. So I'm going to carry on now rubbing down the cab. But as you can see, she's starting to get there now. But I'm just hoping I've captured the right shade of paint. But this is going to be the top colour, which is going to be a bit different to the traditional Mid-Brunswick green. So that's just a brief report on the paint. So that's all for now before I go back onto the rubbing down of the cab. But I think she'll probably look stunning in that colour, as you can see. So I'm wondering what Mark Yo thinks. Have I captured the right colour, or does it need to be more of a greeny, bluey? Or it's difficult because I've used T-cut and all sorts of things trying to capture it, but I think it's pretty close actually. Looking at it there, that's the test paint, and this is the original colour, but it's obviously faded and weathered. It's in pretty bad condition because after all, it's over 40 years since it's been painted. So I'm hoping this is the right one. So the next move now is to get my step ladder out and start working from inside the cab. So that's today's project. That's how it is at the moment. So here we go on to the next section. But obviously the red will take a few more coats, but I think she's going to look stunning when she's done. I'm quite pleased the way it's coming on, but still needs a lot more hard work. So you can see what I mean when you look at the reflection off the bonnet there. See, when you look, that looks like a lighter blue than that blue, but when you get actually close to it and you compare the patch to the blue and the paint taken off the rubbers, this is the rubbers on the window. You can see it. It's difficult to judge because it's metallic. So I hope I've captured the right colour. So time to carry on and progress the machine. So here we go again.